Hello friends, today we are going to see the numerical control machine. In that we'll cover the introduction to the NC machines, then NC machine tools function and the component of NC machines. Numerical control. So numerical control is popularly known as NC machine, which is very commonly used in the machine tools. NC machine is a programmable automation in which the process is controlled by number, letter, and symbol. It means that the machine is controlled by set of instruction called as a program, and this program contain numbers that will indicate the speed, feed, and coordinate movements of the table, means along the x, y, and z axis for a different type of jobs. So the name is a numerical control. Now, if you see the how the number letters we are in, numbers is a infinite numbers. I can say the letter is A, B, C, D, F. Symbols like XF, YF, ZF. XF means we are giving the feed along the X direction. If I say YF means we are giving the feed along the Y direction. ZF means we are giving the feed along the Z direction. So for each job has a particular program, and which is a punch on the punch tape which is to be executed. So when the type of job changes, the program instruction of the job also changes. So it is easier to use the punch card to give the instruction to the machine, and which ultimately makes the machine automatic. So NC technology prominently used for various metal machining process like turning, drilling, or milling process, or even the shaping also. So these are the what applications where the mostly you can see the in NC control system or a technology. Next is the NC machine tools function. So first function of the NC machine is to start or stop the spindle. Second, to control the spindle speed. Third is to forward the reverse motion of the table. We can move the table in the reverse direction or a forward direction. Then the fourth, to control the feed rate. So when you're talking about the feed rate at which the workpiece can advance under the cutter. So that is what we are talking about, the feed rate. Even for changing the tools, but this function is not common in all the NC machines. Then the sixth, we can also change the position of the tool with respect to the workpiece. So that is called as positioning the tool at the desired location. Next is the component of NC machines. So in that, first is the NC program, means we are doing the programming in the alphanumerical form, means we can use the letter or letter and numbers. Then the punch tape. Then third, this is a punch machine. To punch the tape, we need a punch machine. Then the third is the tape reader. So to read that tape, we need a tape reader machine. Then machine control unit. Then the NC machine tools. So here we can control the spindle also, we can control the table or a motor or drives also. So for that, through the machine control unit, we can control the various tools of the machine, NC machine. Okay, we'll see one by one the details, the components of NC machine. So first of all, when we are writing the NC program, we need a part drawing for that. So this is the part drawing. So by using this part drawing, we can write the program. So our first part is to write the NC program. So NC part programming is written by using the part drawing, and also we required a cutting parameter, so like speed, feed, and depth of cut. Then the part program is a set of instructions given to the machine tool for carrying out the operation in alphanumerical form. Means here, just alphanumerical form means we can use the alphabet and the numbers to write the program. So that will be given the input there. Then this program is punch on the punch tape, right? So part program is entered on the punch tape or the magnetic tape or paper tape also. Generally, the tape is made up of mylar coated aluminum for higher production, or you can go for the paper tape also for testing of the component at initial level. Then this is what I'm showing, the punch tape, and then this punch tape, the program is entered on that punch tape in the form of holes. Even you can see in this. So we are just making the holes, and these holes are punched with the help of punching machine. Then this punch tape again has to be forwarded to the tape reader. So the function of tape reader is that to read the whole pattern on the tape and convert that pattern into the electrical signal. So for that, we required a tape reading machine here. This is the machine, that is a tape reader. Okay. Now this, whatever the electrical signals are there from the tape reader, that the controller will receive that electrical signal from the tape reader now, right? And it will send to the machine control unit, and the machine will respond with respect to the programs. Means if you see the whatever the electrical signals are coming out, okay, so we are sending that instruction to the machine. Means the mechanical action of the machine tool will take place. Means the movement of the table, right, or a spindle will takes place. The controller, so what happens that the controller gives the signal to the various lights, or to even to the drive motors, even to the transducer, spindles, right? So this is MCO, machine control unit, the internal structure there. Will not go more detail in there. Then the next, whatever the signals are there, now we are transferring to the machine. So the NC machine now start to respond to the electrical signal from the controller, and according to the machine, according to that signals, the machine will execute and will try to produce the job. So basically, we are writing the program with respect to the part program, right? Means according to that, now the job will be manufactured. So this is all about the components of NC machine. So thank you, friend.